Hello! In front of me I have AGP Tech LW11 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like the moon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode simply tap on this icon like this, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. The icon will get highlighted basically. This indicates that the mode is enabled, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. So that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode. To disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen, tap on the icon, tap on the check mark, and the mode will be disabled. The icon will go back to the not highlighted basically state, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.